Everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with a project share for Globleland. And what I picked up this time was these dies here. And this is butterflies. And then this one here is like a, I don't know the exact name, but it's like a little, you could make a keychain out of it. And that's what I did. So I'm going to put these back in the thing. I will have Globleland's website coupon code Happy10 to save some money, and I will have the links to these items if anybody is interested. So all of that good stuff will be in the description box. So what I did so far is this is how these would turn out. Oh, that don't go there. So these are blank. So these are ready for me to finish. I really want to put like a letter on this one, some vinyl, but I couldn't find my big letter die set. I know I have it, but I can't find it. So when I come across it, I will do that and I'll come back and share that one. This one, I don't know what I'm going to do. This one is like this is like a faux leather. This is like that faux canvas sheet that we get at Hobby Lobby. This don't necessarily need anything on it because you could do your dangles and all of that good stuff on the key ring, and then that would be that. So I did that, but these two I did decorate. These two I haven't decided what I want here. But this is the butterfly die. So I just put that, same thing. This is a canvas type chunky glitter. I guess is a canvas because it's got the canvas type back to it. So, oh, this is a charm. Turn that around. Yeah, that's better. So that's how I decorated that one. Really cute. And then I'll put some more fun stuff on the key ring. Maybe some beads or something. But it might not need it because it has all of this. So I may keep this one like this. Okay. And then the next one, I did it like this. And I put that little lobster clasp there. And I do want to maybe put some bling in the middle maybe. But I've got to find some really good glue for that because that's that canvas type. And I did leave them to where you can, make them dimensional. And I will put some beads and stuff on this ring. So really cute. I really like that die. This is just a little butterfly that I had left, and you can see that's what I'm talking about. It's the canvas sheets. And they come in sheets from Hobby Lobby. So that is just an extra one that I have right there. So that is my project so far using this little key fob die. I don't know the exact name of it. It will be linked below. And I'm working on some more projects with the butterflies. So I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.